Alright friends, back again today for some more place value practice. So today we're going to be learning how to add using place value. Guys, this is so fun to me. I love place value. I just hate that we cannot be in school so I can do my games with you, because place value games are the best games and I love teaching with games. So here you see a place value chart. It might look a little funky. It has circles on it. And that's okay. We're going to roll with it. So the circles represent kind of what you see here, little place value disc. They're usually foam, but I hadn't bought any on Amazon yet like I wanted to. So I just kind of made my own for now. And y'all weren't in here, so I wasn't that worried about it because I don't have any students to share. So what we're going to do is we're going to break apart our numbers, show them with some place value disc, and you use them just like your rods and your cubes, your place value blocks. They're just in the form of disc, and one that represents 1 doesn't show on this one. That represents 10. So it's just not that specific, but you can use them in the same way. So let's think of the numbers. I want to add the numbers 514 plus 283. So we're going to show that by using a place value disc. So I'm going to build this one. I need 4 ones. So it's as simple as here's 4 ones. I need 1 10. And I need 5 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go to this one, and I already have the hundreds in my hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it my 2 100s, my 8 10s, 2, 4, 1, 8, and my 3 ones. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add each place value together. So I'm going to take my ones. I have 3 ones and 4 ones. So let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have I'm going to write at the very bottom of this one. Let's take more what's right there. That's going to help us later on. 7 ones. Now let's look. Let's look at the tens place. I have 1 10 and 8 10s. So let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm going to put a 9 times 10 equals 90. So I can write 90 really small there. And then my hundreds, I have 5 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. So I know I have 5 hundreds. So unless I just need to double check like this, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, you're going to get to the point where you automatically know 5 hundreds equals 500. So you can just start off counting from there. 500, 600, 700. And 7 times 100 equals 700, but I'm going to still write 700. So if I have 7 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 7 ones, my number is 797. That's my answer. So I just counted for you. Or we just did that together. I didn't do it for you. I like to think you did. So that's how we add using place value. Now don't worry, I'm not going to give up on you right now. We're going to keep going. Let me just get these. Except I might not use these anymore because they're kind of hard to pick up. and I just showed you how to use them. But I've made these in slideshow format, so that's what we're going to use because you have this. So I'm going to show you how to use this on your computer. Alright, so let's say I have 762. And then I want to add that by 100 and 37. So I need to do these. I'm going to go ahead and color in how many place value disc quote I have. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do one number at a time or one place value at a time. This part isn't important what order you go in at first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm being sloppy. And if you want these printed out like this, let me know and I can send your parents the file. But they're also on your computer. So let's talk about 7 ones plus 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 6 tens plus 3 tens. 6 tens equals 60. So 60, 70, 80, 90. 700s plus 100. 700 equals 700. Plus 100, 700, 800. So what is my number in standard form? 899. Woo, good job, friends. You are cooking with oil today. So smart. Ah, where's my pen? All right, so I'm going to show you on your computer real quick, super quick, how you're going to do yours. So I have given you the numbers using your place value blocks, and it's basically the same thing. You have 300s right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 5 ones. So you write that number down, and you're going to write this number, and you're going to answer it. So you're going to use this the same way I did. You can type your numbers up here just by using a text box and typing them. So just like that. And you can use these place value discs. There's an endless amount, and you just drag it to what you want. See how I'm dragging it over? So that is my idea with that, is that's to help you with these, just to use different formats of that. And this, do not let these scare you. You just worked with them yesterday. You have to know how to read them, but they are not scary. So remember, the flats equal 100 each, so 1, 2, 3, 400, and 10, 20, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 404, okay? So you're just adding those two numbers together. And you're only doing 4 of them. So let me know if you need help. I'm always here for you. Just don't let it scare you, okay?